Only listen to this recording when you're able to deeply relax and you're not doing anything that requires mental focus, such as driving. Sit or lie in a space where you won't be disturbed. You may prefer to sit if you want to remain alert, or lie down if you would rather go to sleep. Just take a moment to get comfortable. Allow your eyes to rest and either half close or fully close. Imagine or get the feel of going on a pleasant stroll in woodland, walking through the trees. Noticing their shapes, how tall they are, how luscious their leaves are. The temperature is just right. You can feel a gentle, pleasant breeze, and it rustles the leaves in the trees in a really peaceful way. You may feel the ground under you as you walk, and why not imagine kicking off your shoes and walking barefoot, connecting to Mother Nature. You approach a tree that looks very inviting and decide to lay your hands on its sturdy trunk. Feel the energy of the tree in your hands. A gentle, energetic humming that connects you to the tree and to the soil. The tree's trunk stretching far up ahead as above. And its roots reaching far down into the nourishing soil as below. Notice the subtle energy humming in your feet from the ground. And I wonder if you can feel it travelling up from your feet, up your legs, up your body, up into your heart, filling your heart. Travelling along into your arms, out of your hands, and into the tree, down the tree's trunk, into the soil, up through the tree's roots, up to the grass, up back into the soles of your feet and up your body in a harmonious cycle and circle. And now you may like to sit or lie next to the tree, feeling the energy of the ground, the soil, the planet, humming through your limbs or back as you sit or lie. Now focusing that energy inwards to the heart. Noticing that soothing hum of the planet in your heart, Perhaps your heart is expanding now, like an open lotus flower. That soothing, energetic hum of the tree, the soil, the planet in your heart. What a comforting, serene, and high vibrational feeling it is. Start to really notice that energy vibrating in your heart, filling your heart with warmth, love, and peace. Every breath increases those feelings in your heart. That feeling of love in your heart starts to expand outwards to fill your whole body. Your heart's energy expanding to fill your whole electromagnetic field, 2 meters around your body. Filling the sacred woodland. Expanding to the town or area you live. Filling your whole country. Reaching all of those who you cherish around the world. Filling the entire planet. Filling the whole solar system, including our life-giving star, the sun. Filling the galaxy. And the whole universe. That feeling of love from your heart, filling the entire universe like the Big Bang, like your heart was the singularity that expanded to encapsulate the whole universe with light. Feel that energy, warmth, love, and vibration from your heart's electromagnetic field, filling the whole universe, simultaneously vibrating within your whole body, all your blood cells, all your atoms, as you are a part of the whole. Allowing this bliss, these feelings of universal love, expansion, and high vibration within and without for a few moments. For a few breaths. Noticing the feelings of unlimited love and peace right now in your atoms, as you know you can do anytime you wish. It is always here for you to tap into, to immerse yourself in, to send out to others, just by focusing your attention on the love in your heart. And as you know, you can always decide what you wish to focus on. And the more that you choose to focus on love, expansion, and gratitude, the more you find inner peace. The power is in you to choose this blissful state of universal love anytime you wish. That what you focus on, you send out into the world, into the universe, and that same frequency is reflected back to you. And why not give thanks and gratitude to the universe now for the blessings in your life and unlimited abundance to be found everywhere, in whatever way you want to express it. And now it's time to start to recall that expanded energy emanating from your heart, from the whole universe, coming back to the galaxy, back to the solar system, back to Earth, back to the town, back to your neighbourhood, back to your home and anyone else who lives there, feeling gratitude and love for the building and people in it. Back to the room, back to your body and your heart, where your heart chakra spins in perfect harmony, like a glowing lotus flower, contained yet open. And feeling this high vibrational, serene, expansive energy in your heart and body, you can start to bring your focus back to the present moment, starting to notice the surface under you in the room, the lighting around you, the blood flowing in your limbs, starting to feel more alert as you start to stretch and in your own time, open your eyes.